Okay, once again, hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a payroll in Excel sheets. So first of all, you have let me introduce this Excel sheet. The place where we are working is known as Excel sheets. So this Excel sheet has a column. This all are column. Please follow the pointer. This the place where I'm clicking. This is all a column, and it's denoted by alphabetical orders. And it's this is one, two, three. These all are rows. So you have to work in this column and rows. And these columns and rows makes a cell. Okay, so like this kind of this is the place where I'm clicking is known as active cell. The place where you are going to work, and you can see number of cells is being displayed here. These all are cells which is been created with the rows and columns. Okay, so every cell is a unique cell. How? So I will let you know. So suppose for example I'm clicking here. This is called active cells, and every cells have their cell address. Okay, so how can we denote the cell address? It's like from E. Okay, so this is E. This cells falls in E column. Okay, so this cells falls in E column, as well as you can see the yellow like mark has been displayed here. So E2. So 2 has been it looks like it is active type. Okay, so E2 is the cell address of this cell. Now if I click in payroll, now the very payroll I've written in cell address A1, because column A and row 1 midpoint is this cell. So it means that the cell address of this cell is A1. So you can just know that the midpoint of the cell, the midpoint of the rows and columns make a cell address. Okay, so I have typed the payroll over here. Okay, so if you want to edit this payroll, so you can go over here at the topmost, over here the pointer where I'm showing. So this is called formula bar. So from here FX, so this you can see this box after this FX. So this all box is known as formula a formula bar. Okay, so if I delete here, you can see below in cell also it has been. If I type here, you can see the typed text has been shown in the cell. So when you type, you can type here in the cell and just write payroll. Okay, so your payroll. But if you want to edit your, you need to go to the formula bar and just you need to delete and just type what edition you have to make. All right. So anyway, so coming to the point, so today we are going to learn how to make a payroll. Like what is payroll? Payroll is basically the people use in the account section for making for generating the employee salary. Okay, so over here I have already written over. You need to make as same as this. Okay, so first step, so write payroll in cell address A1 and start with cell address A4, that is serial number, and the next is name, basic salary, HRA, PF, LTA, DA, gross salary, EPF, okay, LIC, total discount, and net salary. As you see here, this HRA has been given 2%, PF 3%. So these are the percent which their salary will be included. Okay, so their salary consists of HRA of 2%, PF of 3%, and in the similar way till DA or the. Okay, so now let me let you know. So you serial number, so you need serial number 1, okay, 2, 3, 4 like that. So it's very simple. Type 1 serial number, type 1 and 1, and you go to the edge. You can see this mouse pointer symbol. It is big plus, looking like big. Now it's when you come the edge of this cell, there will be small plus. Okay, so when you find this small plus in the edge of this cell, so click and drag downward. So you can see the same number has been copied. Okay, So just over here, autofill option, click it and make it fill series. So automatically the number will be generated. Okay, so this is how we keep the serial number, and you have to type the name of the employee. Okay, so you can give your own preference name. So basic salary, you about what salary, basic salary does that? Suppose 43,000, and these are same. So most of the employee may also have the same salary. Okay, so that's why the double it has been given. So different 15,000 they carry. Some of the employee have 5,000, 54,000. In the similar way, all the salary, basic salary has been mentioned here. Okay, so you need to type all this in your system also. So now you have name, you have basic salary. Now you need to find HRA. Okay, so it's a house rent allowance. So if an employee is staying at home, so they don't have to pay house rent allowance. Um, so their HRA, 2% of HRA will be added to the salary. But if someone is staying in the like house, like company. Colony, or like some, like if you're a government employee, they give a quarter. Okay, so if you're staying at quarter in the similar, they will deduct 2% of HR from here. So that amount has to be calculated over here. Now how do we put the formula to calculate this HRA of 2%? As you see the below formula, so we have given very crystal clear over here, all the formula has been given. So for HRA, the formula is equals to C5, C5 asterisk. Asterisk means it's an operator, so used for multiplication. C5 into asterisk, that is asterisk. In your keyboard, you can find it, that asterisk is above number 8 key. Okay, so with the help of shift key you have to click the asterisk. So 2%. Okay, so over here I'll double click here. Now I'll type equals to, now C5. You don't have to type C5. C5 is a cell address. Now you can see where is C5. How can you find? This is C. Okay, so this is C. Don't click, just I am showing with the pointer. This is C and this is 5. So you have to see the midpoint of C and 5. So this is the 43,000 is the midpoint of C column and row 5. So this is a cell that you have to select this basic salary. You have to select the basic salary. So basic, when you select this basic salary 43,000, it will not show on 43,000. Instead of the data inside the cell, when you implement a formula, your cell address will be shown. Okay, so with the help of shift and asterisk, so 2%, like 2% of HRA, 2 shift and percentage. Okay, this percentage is in the number 5 key, above the number 5 key. Okay, then enter. See, it's very easy, right? So this is the formula of HRA, how we can do. In the, you have to follow the same pattern for PF. Okay, so PF is provident fund. So equals to, so PF, you can see in the formula down here, C5 into 3%. So again, C5 is the same salary, but we are taking the PF of the same salary. Okay, so we are dealing with number 1 employee. Okay, this gas train. So C5 shift asterisk, then it's a 3%. Sorry, it's a 3 shift and percentage. Okay, from your keyboard, then enter. In the similar way, LTA. Now LTA, how do we find? Equals to, now you can see the formula, C5 into 3%. Again, same pattern. C5, we are dealing with first employee. Okay, so we have to select the first employee basic salary. C5 means basic salary. Okay, so into 3%, 3% and enter. Okay, now DA. Okay, so in the DA also it's very simple, equals to, you can see the formula, C5 means C5 means basic salary of Galson 43,300. You have to click here, shift star and 2%, 2 shift and percentage, enter. And the similar way gross salary. Now gross salary over you can see here in the formula GS equals to sum open bracket C5 is to Z5 and close the bracket. Okay, so it's very simple. Double click here equals to, now we need to sum. Okay, so sum, sum, sum means to add. Okay, so open bracket and open bracket, then C5 is to G5 means this is C5, that is 43,000, C5 C5 43,000 to G5. Okay, so till DA, basic salary to DA you have to select. So click here and you have to select this amount. Okay, not the heading part. So basic salary into DI we have select, C5 is to G5, then close the bracket, then enter. Now this is very simple. So we got the gross salary. Now EPF, we click here in EPF. What is we can see the formula EPF. EPF equals to E5 divided by 2. EPF, we go to EPF equals to, now E5, where is E5? This one, PF. Okay, so E5 of E5 of Galson. Okay, so means 1290. Okay, so PF. In logically we can understand that EPF is a half of PF, so divided by 2. So we'll click here and slash and 2, then enter. Okay, in the similar way LIC is also the half of LTA. Okay, so you can see in the formula F5 divided equals to, so whenever you implement the formula you should not forget to give equals to. If you'll not give equals to, your formula will be not working. Okay, so equals to F5, so this is F5 LTA, so F5 divided by half of LTA is LIC. Okay, so divided by 2. Okay, so enter. Now it's very simple. So total discount equals to total TD. Over in formula I have given a shortcut, TD means total discount equals to sum I5 is to IJ. Okay, so we go to total discount equals to sum is sum, open shift and click the number 9 key in the keyboard, and above there is a bracket, so uppercase. Okay, so when you click only 9 button it will type 9, see, but if you click shift and 9, so the bracket will be activated, then it will open. Okay, so sum open bracket, then I5 is to IJ, so I5, this is I, column I, and 5 is a row, so I5 junction, like midpoint is here, I5 is to J5. Okay, it means that total discount is the sum of EPF and LIC. So close the bracket, then enter. And the next thing is net salary. Okay, so you can see in the formula net salary is equals to 5 H5 minus K5. Okay, so equals to, you can see here gross salary H5 is the gross salary of number 1 employee. We'll click here minus and the total discount. Okay, K5 means total discount of a first employee. Okay, so over here this one is K and that one is 5, so K5 midpoint is the total discount of a Galson. Okay, so the 1290, then enter. So this is how now the net salary is 46,100. Okay, so this is very simple, it's very easy. Okay, so very simple and easy. I hope you guys understood how to put the formula. I hope you guys understand how to put the formula, and you can just like carry on with second employee also, Bishal's. Okay, so once you complete all this, again you have to carry on with all the employee. You have to calculate all the employees. Okay, okay guys. So you can see here this. You can see here, like I have calculated all this salary. net salary. I have calculated all this net salary of this employee. So I hope you guys understood this thing how to calculate. Okay, so you have to do it by yourself. Okay, all right. And now like you have to presentation is very important, so you have to select this all cells. There is individual cells over here at the heading part. You can see where I'm clicking till here, these all are individual cells. Okay, so I have to make it one. So I've already learned how to merge the cell. You have to select all this and you go to here, merge and center. You click it over here, merge and center. Then you go to grow. Okay, you grow, click this A, bigger A. So payroll is little smaller. Okay, so this is how we write the heading part of this salary payroll. Okay, so then we put the color. So decoration is very important. Okay, presentation, we shall highlight this one. We put bold. Okay, so a little bit bigger, one step bigger. So this will increase and this will decrease the text size. Okay, so if you want the required amount, so you can go here and put the numbers. Okay, size of the text. Okay, so now we put the color over here, different color. Okay, so again we go here and we put the different color. All right, so we put different color over here, over here. All right, over here. So you have to uh, do all this. Okay, you should not skip anything. You have to do exactly what has been done in this video. So I believe everyone will do it very nicely. I know you guys are very uh, intelligent enough to do this. Okay, so put this kind of colors from here. Okay, select it. Again, select it from here. Okay, so it must your works must look very attractive. Okay, so that is very important to do. Again here. All right, now we need border. Okay, so we select all this. Okay, so I'll click here at the top notch and I'll select all this, and now I'll go here in the no board in this border option. So I'll keep all border. Okay, so here we got the table, we can see here. Okay, now it looks very beautiful. The payroll is ready for the employee. Okay, according to this payroll, their salary will be create like dispatch to the individual. Okay, so but as being account person, so this is how you work to make a salary of the employee. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed learning this payroll. Thank you so much, and hope to see your work before 7 p.m. So any questions and queries, you can call me around 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Anyway, thank you very much and stay safe.